Hey guys, it's been a while. I had to take some time off because of school, but my semester's ending soon, so I'm back. Sorta. Also, stay tuned towards the end for a special announcement. Anyway, in the time that I was gone, I got a bunch of new toys to help me sculpt, and today I'll be using my 3D printer. I wanted to remake Dododo De Dadada for a really long time because I was never happy with the way that it came out. Because I made it out of clay, it was very heavy, and it was also very thin, so it broke easily. In order to remedy all these issues, I decided to use my 3D printer to print the pieces instead of making them out of clay. This way the pieces are light and sturdy. I drew out all the measurements and the pieces I need on a post-it. I then booted up Tinkercad because I don't need overly complicated shapes and began measuring and sculpting. I exported the files and loaded it onto Voxel Maker to create the G-code. I test printed one piece to see if the thickness is what I wanted. Here I turned on my 3D printer and coated the surface with glue sticks so that the filament would stick to the platform. I let it print out a test piece in green. I used my spatula to take it off the platform. I like the thickness and the strength of the print. Compared to the clay one I made before, it's a lot sturdier and less prone to bending. If you see the clay one, it's very fragile, and the piece broke off while I was testing how bendy it was. I changed the filament color and got ready to start printing out the pieces. I duplicated as many pieces as I could on the platform and I started printing. Each batch took about 5 hours and I printed about 4 to 5 batches. This process took about 2 days because I ran into issues with the filament and the place where the PTFE tubing goes into broke. Here's all the pieces. Because the platform was covered in glue, I took it to the sink and washed all of them. Enjoy some ASMR. After I washed everything, I then printed out the rest of the pieces. This took about 2 hours. Here I pulled off all the supports and cleaned them up. I then started to assemble the top piece of Dododo with superglue in hopes that it would dry fast. If you compare it to the old one I made, it's much better in terms of strength and much lighter, so it's able to hold itself up. Here, I started to assemble the rest of the sculpture. I cut whatever pieces that needed to be cut and used a mixture of superglue and E6000 so it's extra sturdy. After I was done, I left it to dry overnight, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't bend and it's really solid and stiff. Lastly, I glued the pieces that will be hanging off the top part with string and put it all together. Here's the finished product. It's super strong this time and I'm really happy with the way that it came out. Because I 3D printed this, it also means that I can have an easier time remaking this so that I can put them up for sale. I also have a special announcement. After this video, I will no longer go by the name of Yubihel. In other words, I'll be rebranding. I'm still working on it, but I hope to relaunch soon. My content will relatively stay the same, but I want to branch out more into designing my own products and whatnot, so stay tuned to see what else I'll create. Thank you for watching this process video. Like, favorite, subscribe, and check out the links in the description below for my socials. Check out JoJo Wiki for all your JoJo information, and if you're interested in commissions, I also put the link below for my prices. My Etsy store is still up and is being updated frequently with new merch and sculptures, so go check that out too. Thank you for watching. Bye!